Hello everyone, welcome to another session with me. My name remains Toby. I am the host, I am the tutor for this class, and I hope you enjoy the class. So today we're going to be learning how to create text portrait images, realistic and dope one. So we're going to start by dragging our picture that we're going to use. This is my picture I want to use. You can use a personal picture for text portrait. It doesn't matter, but you're going to get the same result. We're all going to get the same result. Okay, so I drag this into Photoshop. Drop. Yes, I have this. So preferably your picture should be in black and white, because that's what gives you the chill and the dopeness. So next I'm going to do is to create a solid color layer. Make sure it's on black and click OK, then move it below my image. Voila, this is what I have. So next thing I'm going to do now is to import my text. This is the text I downloaded online, so you can arrange your text depending on what you want. Just get your results. So this is what I want to use. Right. So next thing to do is to rasterize. Right click, rasterize layer, and then I go to my background eraser to make sure it's big enough, like 5,000. That's the highest radius. So then I select the black part because it has a black background. I'm planning to remove all the black background there. So I'm going to choose 5,000 radius, discontinuous, 5,000 radius, discontinuous, and 76% tolerance. So then I click at the center, make sure my radius is covering the whole text. Click, and then takes out all the black there. See? All the black is out. All of them. So my image is transparent now. See through. So next thing to do is to put this at the center, and then I hide the layer. So now I go to this place now, and then I use my rectangular marks to go to the center and then draw to the center. Yeah, this is the center. That is the center. So create a new layer and then fill this with black. Paint bucket, black, fill. Down. So that's nice. So I have this and I have that. Okay, so that's perfect. Okay, I pretty much think we should put it on this side of the image. So let's move to this side. I put it on this side. And you can put it whatever side you like. Doesn't really matter. The point is we are going to achieve the same result. So now the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on this, on hide that, and then make sure I have the layer selected, my text layer selected, and then I move it to the other end, creating little space. So you just nudge, make sure you're on your pick 2, and then you nudge. Use the left direction key to create small space. Yeah, this is fine. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this, hold Ctrl and click on my layer icon, my text layer icon, then I hide my text layer, and then I go back to this rectangular shape layer I created, and then I hold alternate and create a mask. See? You see? Create a mask. This is our text. So it looks nice, like, but my pretty sure it's too dark, and then we're meant to blend the edges. So that's what we're going to do now. Now create a new layer above our image layer, and then I go to my brush tool, reduce the opacity to like, let's say 88 is fine. Make sure it's on black, and then I increase the size, my brush size, increase more, reduce a bit. Yeah, just say 1000. It's fine. So now I paint over it. Paint, 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 paint. I'm painting on the edges. On the edges. The edges. Oh. So this is nice. So next thing, let's reduce the opacity to like 10. Oh sorry, 10. 10, and then now let's paint on the side to just make it be a little bit dark. Now this is perfect. I love this. So next thing we're going to do now is to add a glow. This is not really necessary, but I think I kind of like it. Just play around your image. Doesn't really matter what you do, it is your image, and what we're trying to achieve is a great result. So we're going to do whatever to achieve that great result. So I'm going to cut out this butterfly at the middle. I'm trying to make my butterfly glow. So press Ctrl J. It's copy via layer. Yeah. So then I select the layer and hide the other one. I hide this one, the whole thing. Ctrl T, right click and flip horizontally. Then I move it to this side. It's fine here. So next thing I'm going to do is to create a hue layer, hue and saturation. Clip it directly above the butterfly layer, and then I clip it to this place, and then I adjust the layer. And what I want is blue. Okay, that's not bad. Increase saturation, and then click again, and then I make a select. Oh, sorry. And then now on this layer, I double click on it, create color overlay blue. That's fine. So look at my blue color code 008EFF. It's fine. Opacity 25. Perfect. So inner glow OOC00C0FF is fine too. Yeah, so that's fine. And the last one is to create an outer glow. So outer glow is 00BAFF BAF. Funny. So my size is 180, my spread is 3, my opacity is 55, my range is 50 by default. So this is fine for me, and then I click OK. So I have a glowing butterfly. So last thing we're going to do now is to create a layer above this man here, above my image here. So then I create a clipping mask, right click on it, create clipping mask, and then I just use that 00 BAFF, the buff. Okay, this is fine. So reduce your brush, and then you just also increase your opacity all the way to 100. 100 is fine, and then you just paint over it. So this is the reflection of my butterfly there. This is how it reflects. So I'm changing this to overlay. You can use either overlay or soft light. Yeah, so I think I even prefer the soft light. Soft light is fine for me. So just paint over the more, paint more, and voila, we have a very perfect result. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I hope you now understand how to make your code video. Trust me, if you do this for IG, you're gonna get a very nice result. People are gonna love your post. This is a very good picture for IG, very good edit for IG. And please click like below, and then subscribe if you haven't. And also, I'm going to be uploading very nice videos soon. More videos to come, and God bless you all for the support and everything. I love you all. Thank you. Toby out. Bye.